friends, in today's video we will learn how to create this fire effect in Photoshop. So without any further ado, let's get into the video. Create a new document of 1080 by 1920 pixels with the black as the background color. Type the text which you want and adjust its size. Press Ctrl or Command T, right click and choose 90° clockwise. Go to Filter, Stylize and choose Wind. Click on Rasterize and with these settings hit OK. Again go to Filter and repeat the process 2 to 3 times. Now go to Filter, Distort and choose Ripple. With the default settings hit OK. Press Ctrl or Command T and adjust it. Press Ctrl or Command A and bring the text to the center. Go to Image Mode and choose Grayscale. Again go to Image Mode and choose Indexed Color. Again go to Image Mode and this time choose Color Table. Change the table to black body. Choose the color of your choice and hit OK. In this way you can create this fire effect in Photoshop. If you find this video helpful, do like it and don't forget to subscribe to our channel. Thanks for watching.